Welcome back. This is your session 6. It's the last session of the pack. You have done extremely well. Now let's hit the last session very, very strong. Ready? Let's begin the warm-up. Our first warm-up movement, downward to cobra. Instructions first, and then we do this together. Down on the floor, hips to the ceiling, head between your arms, and feet flat on the ground, heel touching the ground. So hold that position, downward dog or the mountain, and from here go down to the cobra, chest off the ground, your hips, abdomen off the ground, relax your shoulders. So we keep doing that at a faster pace for 20 seconds. Are we ready? 20 seconds and go. Downward and a cobra. Downward and a cobra. Keep moving. Your palms flat on the ground. In your downward, heel touching the ground, and in the cobra, on your toes. And done. Second one, toe touches. Feet wider than hip width. Reach your right arm to the left ankle, left arm up to the ceiling, eyes on the ceiling, and switch. We're going to do this a little faster for 20 seconds. Are we ready? Let's go. Keep moving. Big range of motion. Reach out for that ankle. Shoulder warm up. Warming up the back and the hips. Come on. Keep moving. And done. The third one is lateral squat walk. So keep your feet shoulder width apart, hinge at the hips, give me a partial squat. Now from here, we move laterally, 2 steps, and then the other side. But stay in that position, stay in the partial squat, do not get up. Ready? 20 seconds and go. Keep moving, one side to the other. Lateral squat walk or side to side. Stay in that squat. Feel the quads getting engaged, core getting activated, hamstrings, calf muscle, all of it getting warm. And done. The fourth one is cross jack. So unlike a jumping jack, you will now cross your legs in front and also cross the arms and push it all the way out to shoulder level. Are we ready? 20 seconds and go. Cross jack. Come on. Keep going. Cross your feet, cross your hands, getting more for warm up for the shoulder joint and for the legs, taking the heart rate up and done. Your first main movement is burpee with a lateral jump. Remember, we did this in the previous session. So we go down on all fours, jump your legs out, chest to floor, and then jump your legs in and give me a lateral jump, which is to the side. And we do the burpee again. Are you ready? 30 seconds on the clock and go. Come on. This is the last session of this pack. You have come a long way, gotten stronger, increased your cardiovascular endurance session by session. No reason to stop now. 10 seconds. Give me that lateral jump. Come on. Almost there. And done. Second one, sit up with punch. Down on the floor, feet together, knee out, butterfly position. Lie down, arms overhead. Now do it, sit up, punch really strong, sit up and punch. Ready? 30 seconds, non-stop, and go. And punch. Sit up and punch. Come on. Squeeze those abs. Throw your arms overhead when you're lying down to get more momentum, to rise up. Punch really hard, 10 seconds. Hit. Come on. Hit. Core tight. And done. Third one, push up to tuck jump. We've done this movement again before. However, instructions first. Give me a good push up. Jump your legs in, all the way up, tuck jump, and back to going down to a push up. Ready? 30 seconds and go. Push up, jump in, and tuck jump. Come on. Push up, jump in, and up as high as you can. Take that heart rate up. Build shoulder strength. 10 seconds. Come on. And up. Try one more. And done. Rest 30 seconds before round 2. Walk around. Doing good. Few deep breaths. Come on. Almost there. 2 more rounds. And you have completed this pack. Come on. Let's do this together. And done. Round 2, movement 1, burpee with lateral jump. Ready? 30 seconds and go. Jump to the side, land soft. Jump out and jump in. Or you can step out, step in. However, push your limit, challenge your body. 10 seconds to go and stay with me. Come on. And done. Second one, sit up to punch. Ready? Position and go. Sit up, punch. Tight core, punch hard. Keep going. At your own pace. Give me stronger punches, power punches. 10 seconds. Come on. One more. And done. Third one, push up, tuck jump. Ready? Position. 30 seconds and go. Push up, jump in, tuck jump. Come on, land soft when you do the tuck jump. And go. Doing good. Come on, push your threshold. Yeah. Come on, 10 seconds. Come on, give me one more. And done. Rest 30 seconds before round 3. Almost there. Almost there. Breathe in, breathe out. Shoulders relax. Prepare. Come on. Let's hit this hard. Last round. Last session. And done. Round 3, movement 1. Burpee with lateral jump. 30 seconds on the clock and go. Come on. Maybe we can get one additional from the previous time, okay? Keep going. Yes. Tell your body you have become better, stronger, and built more cardio. 10 seconds. Keep going. Come on. And done. Second movement, sit up with punch. Get set, position, 30 seconds on the clock, and go. Punch. Tight core. Don't lift your legs off the ground or your feet off the ground. If you don't hold that core tight, your feet will raise off the ground. Come on, 10 seconds. Almost there. And done. Third one, push up to tuck jump. Position, 30 seconds and go. Up. Come on, push up, jump in, jump up. Doing good. Last movement, come on. Almost there, 10 seconds to go. Jump. Come on, give me one more. Up. And done. Rest 30 seconds before cool down. Walk around. Pat yourself on the back. You did excellent, and you have completed this pack. Relax, take a deep breath. And done. Our first cool down movement is a pigeon stretch. Instructions first, and then we do this together. Down on the floor. Now, bring your right leg in front. Yeah, drop your right knee and right foot down. Stretch your left leg out at the back. Now remember, the hips don't tilt to the side. The hips need to come to the center and drop down. Keep your arms in front and raise the chest, sink the hip down and hold. You ready? 10 seconds on either side. Go. Now this one, you will feel your right glute stretch if your right knee is bent. Hold strong. Okay, and change side. Bring your left foot in front, left knee, left foot down, right leg extended out, chest up, sink your hips down and hold. 10 seconds. Breathe. Now feel the left glute stretch. Inhale and done. Second one is a downward dog hold. Instructions first. Hips to the ceiling, palms on the ground, feet planted firmly on the ground, heel touching the ground, head between your arms, and take your head close to the ground. Okay, hold it for 20 seconds. Let's go. Lock your knees, lock your elbows, don't bend them. You can keep your elbows a little soft if you need to. Now, drop your head down further, feel the shoulder and scapula stretch, feel the hamstring stretch, calf stretch, and done. The third one is knee to chest. Lie down on the floor, on your back, head down, shoulders down. Now grab your knees and pull it close to the chest. That's it, toes pointed to the ceiling. Ready? 20 seconds and hold. Inhale and exhale and ensure your knee is touching the chest. Hold strong. Relax. Breathe. Feel the hips stretch. And done. The fourth one is your child's pose. Bend your knee. Drop your hips all the way down, touching the heel. Arms stretched out, head down on the floor. Elbows down and hold for 20 seconds. Chest all the way down to the ground. Head down, elbows down, reach your arms forward. Feel the stretch around your lats, your upper back, quads, and done. Excellent work, my friend. With that, we come to the end of this pack. Yes, you have completed another pack of complete cardio. Now remember, you can do this pack all over again, or you can choose to do the other packs available to you. Food tip, remember pumpkin? Yes, it's easily available to us. Pumpkin and pumpkin seeds are known to be extremely nutritious, helps you build your stamina, and also a good source of protein and minerals. So make it a part of your regular diet. Keep learning, focus on being better every day, and becoming the best version of yourself. Take care, see you soon.